Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gen AI Talkin' 10, brought to you by SS&C Blue Prism. I'm Brad. He's Satish. Let's get right into it. So, Satish, how are business outcomes enhanced by leveraging Gen AI with both process orchestration and process automation?
Thanks, Brad. This is a very interesting question because a lot of times when we do customer briefings, this is one of the questions that comes up. They're saying, okay, especially for existing clients, we do both new logos and existing clients. But, when we talk to existing clients, they say, well, I wonder, we have had some great outcomes using automation. We have brought millions of hours back to the business. What else is there? How do I use Gen AI with automation to do more? And so we like to remind them that, there are opportunities for more cost reduction, even more enhanced productivity, beyond just using automation, even more personalization, which we can talk about, faster time to market, even more innovation. Like if you think about what we did with automation, which was phenomenal, now you can expand the scope beyond, maybe you were doing one part of the process. Because Gen AI, for example, can deal with unstructured documents, you now dig more end-to-end business process, which means opportunities for innovation, right? So let's tackle it one at a time.
Okay.
Piece cost reduction, right? So automating processes with RPA or, intelligent automation reduces the need for manual labor, right? That we know already, which means it's lower operation costs. That's great. But if Gen AI can further optimize processes, which means now you're using your resources even more efficiently, that gives you another tranche of cost savings that didn't exist before. So that's number one. Number two is enhanced customer experience, right? Gen AI can personalize interactions, right? That these customer service agents have by, in some ways understanding and predicting. Remember, AI and prediction is a big thing. Now, when you use that with process orchestration, which can bring any data from anywhere in the enterprise, right? Plus automation. Can you imagine how the combination of the three, you can use orchestration, you can use automation, you can bring insights, which means now customer experience can be even better. It's limited only by your imagination, as I like to tell customers. But kind of related to that is hyper personalization, right? Customers like to feel that they're the only one that the business is attending to, right? So how can I personalize but not spend too much time personalizing my response to a customer, right? Whether it's in marketing, sales, or service. How can I analyze all the customer interactions I've had for a particular customer and then create a response that's personalized to them? And Gen AI is the answer. But then when you combine it with automation and orchestration, you're delivering these personalized experiences at scale, no matter which channel the customer engages in, whether it's chat or email or voice calls or what have you. The other one is faster time to market. By speeding up these processes, by opening up more opportunities for automations, by leveraging insights, businesses can bring products and services to market faster, which means also a competitive edge. So those are some of the things that come to mind. I also was thinking about how we are enabling more innovation, right? When you automated routine tasks before, well, you provided more capacity to employees for sure. But take multimodal LLMs, for example, right? You're bringing new opportunities for innovation because you never thought of using that data, that voice data, that video, that pictures that you have, right? Take healthcare, for example. Combining different forms of data probably gives you opportunities for more different kinds of services and products than you could have without, some of that capability being available. So this innovation enablement, if I can call it that, is also something that we are seeing a lot of, right? So these are all some of the business outcomes we are seeing, as we engage with clients.
And Satish, I know some of our customers that are in industries that are very information or data intensive. This has really been impactful for them. The ability of Gen AI to summarize mass amounts of information, whether it's legal documents or it's trial documentation in life sciences. So is that an example of what you talk about in terms of being able to get at that and bring those insights forward faster, more effectively, to enable companies to be more innovative and to enhance their products and services where needed?
So take adverse events or improving clinical trials in pharma. If you apply some of the things I said, you can probably improve getting back to patients when it comes to adverse events. What does that mean? Well, it might mean less pain for a shorter time frame with a adverse reaction to a drug. It could mean saving lives, right? Because if the adverse reaction was much more serious than a headache or, some kind of pain, soreness, etc., and it's much more serious, like, they could lose their life if they don't stop the drug and take something else, right? That could mean life and death, right? All of this adds up to some amazing business outcomes and competitive differentiation for our customers.
Yeah, definitely. Well, keep us going here. What are some other ways Gen AI makes business outcomes better that are tied into automation or process orchestration?
To me, the biggest thing that I really like is how the scope of automation has changed, right? We always like to talk about how I can take a business workflow end to end and then automate the whole thing, because that means, a lot more innovation, a lot more speed, etc., right? In the efficiency. But with Gen AI, that's truly the case, right? It's a simple thing like Gen AI opening up unstructured documents. We have talked about that in previous episodes. But just think about that. What is it doing, right? It's increasing the scope of automation, improving our ability. So, when it comes to business workflows, we are seeing this opportunity where Gen AI is truly enabling the end-to-end. We like to talk about that, but we were limited by the technology we used before.
Right.
So while IDP, intelligent document processing, OCR tools enable some of that, now with Gen AI, you're truly doing end-to-end business workflow automation, right?
Sure.
And the orchestration part is happening behind the scenes. It's not the hero, but Gen AI is the hero here, or the shiny object. But truly, it's the combination of things that makes it possible, right? The orchestration, the automation, the intelligence, which is the AI. The other one that comes to mind is enhanced collaboration, right? So, AI-powered tools, right? When you can facilitate better collaboration across teams, for example. Think about different departments within a business. They used to work in silos. Now, with Gen AI getting insights and you combine it with orchestration and automation, you are now taking, you're bringing the power of this orchestration to work with long-standing business workflows across departments. And Gen AI is providing real-time insights and updates. Where should the work go, right, or be assigned based on the capacity of that team? And you can do it even more freely do it much more reliably than before, because you have those insights that you didn't have before. The possibilities are numerous. It's so exciting to see what's possible.
Yeah. Thanks for your input on this, Satish, and thank you all for joining. We hope you will Be with us next time on Gen AI Talk in 10.